A new season, Craig. Welcome back to the Tribe. A game against Llanidloes in the Cup and a good result by beating them 4-2.
Yeah, I think good result for different reasons really. I thought, early on we started really well in the game, and I thought the intensity and the way we moved the ball was good, and we created some really good opportunities in that sort of first 20 minutes. I think the injury to Josh Banks disrupted the way we were playing. And to be fair to Llanidloes, they grew into the game, but they were on it after that sort of stoppage, and they won too many second balls. We sort of identified that at half time, and all credit to them, they deserved that opening goal to take them in the lead at the break. But I think at half time we sort of reiterated our points about, we've got to win the battle first, and then you can earn the right to play. And the lads did that. A slight change in the formation second half. We pushed Cav further forward, and obviously that paid dividend because he scored 4 great goals and really good team goals as well, Del. I think that's important. I think the most impressive thing today is that we are seeing glimpses of the type of football that we are expecting to see more often now at the Tribe in terms of our attacking flair. We strengthened really well with the Llanidloes boys coming in, and make no mistake about it, they're still learning and they're still familiarising themselves as a team, and it's going to take time, but a lot of positive signs today going forward.
The intensity in the second half was so much greater, and then the goals came, 4 goals in the second half, and 4 to Cav, which just shows you how good the forward play and midfield and defence played this afternoon as well.
Yeah, we looked sort of solid in that second half, as you said, and the goals that we scored, as I said, were good team goals, and Cav was at the right place at the right time, and that's what all good goal scorers do, and it's really pleasing to see him with a smile on his face and enjoying his football, because that's what we want from our players. We want them enjoying themselves when they come here, and that comes with winning, obviously, and we can build on this today. It's a good foundation for us. We can only get better, which is a real positive for me, and no doubt, as I said, the more these boys keep playing together, the stronger they're going to become.
Diolch, Craig.
Diolch, Del.